Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list of apps you will go to the window or to the app of Clash of Clans. After that you can click on force stop. You can go to Clash of Clans, then you can go to force stop, can click OK, then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.